Hi friends, I just received my new paddle balls. As you know, paddle has become very popular nowadays. My son plays it a lot and he's inviting me to play. So he recommended me these Zusset Padel Elite Balls. So I bought them in Amazon. Let's see. This package has 3 balls. They are 3 inches each. Let's put this like that. 3 inches each. They're supposed to be, you're able to play with them even if you are a professional player or just an amateur one like I am. I used to play tennis a lot, so I suppose that I can handle paddle easily. I feel the balls, I feel them harder than I would feel a tennis one, but of course it's a different sport. These are specially designed for paddle, and they are certified by the International Paddle Federation, the FIP. So we're gonna try them in the field. Not in the field, in the court. Great.